Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video I am going to discuss pound yen, and this is Forex forecast for beginners, you can say, and I will be sharing a lot of new information with all of you as well. So I hope if you stay with me till the end, you will not only understand my strategy, but you will also be able to know different types of patterns, and those patterns I usually trade, and those patterns also give me nice and decent profits. So without wasting further time, let's jump into the chart. Pound yen, right here I am on the H4, as you can see right here. So what yesterday I have discussed, same time yesterday I have discussed that this market exactly took a rally from right here, and as per the technical analysis I am now considering this as an impulsive wave. This impulsive wave was almost followed by a double top up there as well, and after this double top right here, if you see what we have got a very nice divergence as well, and the drop. After the drop, this story started on double top and now it ended on double bottom right here. Now I definitely would like to explain this double top and double bottom concept for all of you, because I know most of you are beginners since of the title of the video. Remember everyone, let's suppose this is price, it's going back up like this, and a point will a time will come that it will start to consolidate like this. So same is the case it did. When you look for the RSI, relative strength index, I use period 80, and it usually help us identify trend changes on time. So let's say RSI is trading like this, like this, but when it is below this double top, it will be showing you that this will be higher than this one. So this is called divergence, and once you get it, this is a very strong evidence that okay, the market is now moving for a correction. So same the pound did, and it fell down, then it went back up, and then it came down, and what it did is it gave a double bottom pattern right here. And the double bottom pattern right here, this is kind of a signal as well. If you can see, this is a signal, this is a signal, and I will be explaining you what type of signal is this. So let's delete these things and let's see. Right here, if you see, the market was very nicely going up, and it signaled that the trend is going to change. It dropped on the intraday, and it also got another double bottom. So this trend started right here, it ended right here, and after that it follow its rally back up from a 61.8% retracement, a drop, and a continuation. And yesterday when I was analyzing it, price was right here, and I clearly have mentioned if this happens, this breakout, it is exactly going to retest 182.191. if you round up this number, it comes around 182.50, you can say, and it is currently showing me this thing. But remember, this is also another concept. The concept is right here, if you see, we have got another double top up there, and after that double top, this one is a little bit bigger than this one, so it will definitely be pointing further down towards this pattern right here. If you see, this is also a bottom followed by a divergence. See right here, see right here, connect the lines, divergence, and it went back up. So same is the case right here. Maybe it can start to create, or it start to consolidate right here, or it will drop. So the first concept that I have shared with all of you, and that is the double top and the double bottom along with divergence. And believe me everyone, these patterns, once you master it, even on the 15-minute, you will be finding it randomly. If you see, you will be finding it right here. Just you can see a very different type of bottom right here. If you can see, we have got a very nice bottom right here, and similarly we have got a top up there, but that got failed. The pros of these double top and the double bottom pattern, the advantages of it is that usually these type of trades has a very smaller stop loss. Just like if you see this one, the traders who took sell trade from right here towards the previous support 320 pips, they just might have took a risk of 50 pips and generated 307 pips again right here. If you see, this is 68 pips and a 270 pips up move, then a drop from there. And by then, right here the triangle was like this line. We have got the first, the second, so we have got this right here, and we have got this up there. So this was also predicted from there till here, and it has to go down further till 182.191. Now I want to tell all of you that most of the traders I see and I meet with, they have some problems understanding these bottoms, because when in such situations, most of the traders will take sell trades right here, because they will think that on this candle, let me show you. Most of the traders took sell trades, and even they assume that okay, it's now going to drop. But my friend, this is forex trading, and anything can happen anytime. So usually I teach my students this one thing, that you have to be prepared for any sorts of odds, and that's why we put stop losses for our trades. So as the pound yen is dropping now, let's have a look at the New Zealand US dollar, because that did something else, and I want to communicate this plan to all of you, because most of the beginners do follow these levels. Most of you will remember that right here this breakout, retest and confirmation trade was discussed. So breakout, retest and the confirmation, 36 pips it gave. So I'm going to delete this for now, and let's have a look at it. First of all, if we see this on the monthly time frame, there are plenty of the support and the resistance levels. This one, if we see, is clearly respected by the price, but whenever you open a chart, you cannot just rely blindly. And right here, if you see, this is clearly coming down. First of all, I have to find a trend if there is any. Yes, exactly, we have got a very nice trend. Now let's see it from the bottom side of the market. Yes, we had this trend that got broken, and now we have this trend that also got broken. Approximately you can say like this. So very nice drop till here, around 900 pips of move that was. So the first thing first, and that is, now I have found these levels. Let me also find my support resistance levels, so I can work in between those levels. Since it bounces off from this trend line, that's why I'm going to include these levels into my analysis. Now the monthly is done. Switch to the weekly time frame and see On the weekly, what is going to happen and what happened actually is we have got a very nice breakout. So first of all, I will be doing the Fibonacci thing, and the Fibonacci comes in right here at a price level of 0.67149. That's good on the weekly. Very nice. We have got a very nice previous resistance right here, the breakout right here, the rejection right here. So it is a very strong level in my opinion, and can be a rejection area for me. Now if I drag and drop Fibonacci from right here, this is clearly standing at a buy zone, which I will be looking for on the H4 time frame and the daily. So now let's have a look at the daily time frame. On the daily, we have got a little bit of break below, which indicates a further drop towards 0.55836, but not blindly. Let's have a look at this Fibonacci as well on the daily, and let's find out. Okay, the 61 is right here, so no problem. If we see, it has been broken on the daily. Now on the H4, there is one other thing on the daily I want to draw your attention to, and that is right here on the H4. If we see on the H4, it is trading below this zone, and most of the traders are now waiting for it, that if it is a correct breakout or not right here. So let's see that on the H1, and on the H1 we have already established a sort of zone right here. So this is now a zone for the beginners and for all of the traders who want to observe this and who want to trade it. Now on the lower time frames, this is my range, and if it like things become very simple once we identified a break in, a retest, and then the continuation. Stay with me, I will be looking for where this market can potentially stop, and obviously break below, a retest, and then the continuation. That is obviously another story. So where it can reverse, possibly if it breaks in, the first thing I will be doing is I will be plotting Fibonacci, and on the Fibonacci 61.8% retracement right here, we have got 0.5955 right here, and this whole area is going to be a reversal area for me, a little bit bigger than usual, but usually on the H1 things and the levels remain the same like this. So let's see, even if it has to go down, I think this correction it should give. Even on the M15 it is suggesting the correction. So let's see if it gives a break above, so that we can look towards 61.8, or if it gives a break below, so that we can get a completion of the cycle, which is this one. Let me show you the completion of the cycle. This is also a good zone, 0.5758. So for now I will also be marking this area. Remember, forex is not a very difficult thing to do, not at all. You just need to understand these level, and I'm doing it all in front of you, so that if you have any sort of problems, you can understand that. See how beautiful and well structured trade opportunity we have got. Let me do it this way, show you. See, very nice. Let's say if it bounces off from right here, we may most likely be going to see a very nice drop towards this zone, which obviously indicates this 0.57715, and this is going to be a very nice trade opportunity if it happens. Now here is another concept: if it doesn't happen, what will happen? Right, if it doesn't go up, what will happen is, if we have any sort of buy positions, our break even stop will hit, or if someone has not moved their stop to break even, they will lose around 50 pips. So not a very big problem. Later we can maybe buy from here. We can, once it breaks below like this, Upon the retest, we can take another sell trade just like this. See, a breakout, a retest, and the continuation. Another retest, maybe a break in, or maybe a bounce. So all of the opportunities I have discussed with all of you, and I'm sure you will give me a very nice feedback. And if you have any questions, any suggestions, if you are stuck somewhere, please do let me know so that I can make videos about it, so that I can guide you, and so that more and more and more traders can take benefits from my videos. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.